Okay, as you can see, the iPhone cover that I ordered has finally come in the mail. Here, Spigen SGP. Now this kit came with a little rubber doohickey, a little card, some nice little buttons here you can put down on top of your button, and some alcohol there to clean your thing with, and of course the actual screen protector itself. It's a pretty nice box. I think I'll keep it. So it says here, in the beginning, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly and wipe your screen with the microfilter cloth. Okay. Hands are washed. Microfilter cloth. Okay. So okay. Carefully align the glass. Peel the protective layer off the adhesive side. Carefully align the glass. Octopus screen. Blah 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 blah. It says here if there's air bubbles to use the squeegee to remove them. Okay. So, peeling off the back side here. Okay. It says to push the glass a little bit and boom. And that's what I'm talking about right there. Nice. 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 Okay. It says here that the littler air bubbles should disappear in 1 to 2 days. Says here it's not recommended to reuse the glass once it's been removed. Yada yada yada. Okay. Okay. As you can see here. Time to apply the button. That's right. Need to remove this thing right here. And voila. Well, that's why there's two of them, huh? Okay, now this needs to go in. Okay, there we go. Now the whole front of the phone is protected. Let's see here. The claim is that, okay. Come over here. Let's look at photos. See if the screen is as sensitive as they claim it is. Yep. Nice. Barely touch it. Oh, look at that. Screen protector. So, even if you touch it very lightly, it still goes through. And when I took this thing out of the box, it felt really, really sturdy. So, nice. Nicely done, Spigen. I really like this screen. No air bubbles whatsoever. Awesome. Okay. Just from looking at it like this, I would give this particular product 2.5 thumbs up. That's really, really good for those of you in Rio Linda. Alright, like I said before, I really like this box, so I think I'm going to keep it. This is actually really, really fancy for a screen protector. Okay.